Hey, it's Luke from Prime Documents Art. In this video, I'm going to take you through templates and setting templates. So I've got some content already here at the moment. And if you wanted to save the template, you can click the Save Template button. This will give you a little pop-up and you can put a label in. I'll just put in a label for freelance near kind of exclamation marks, and then click Save as Near. To do this, you can go to My Account, go to Template History, and you can see all your existing saved templates. You can also delete templates from here by clicking the Delete button. This will display a pop-up, making sure, and then once you tick Yes Delete, the template will be completely removed. If you wanted to jump into another existing template, so you don't just click on it and it will automatically update and show you. You can edit the existing ones. Let's say, for example, I wanted to update this to blue and maybe just removed the project text. So now if I click Save, you've got an option to update the existing template, or you can save as new. For now, I'm going to put in blue, highlight, added, and update template. That means it would have overwritten the existing line that I had. So if I go to my account and template history, then I've still only got the one website agreement. If you want to save a new copy after you've made changes, you can do that. What I'll do is I'm just going to highlight this lime color and maybe just remove some of this text in between. Of course, you just put a strike through that and make this bold. If you go. And maybe make this bigger as well. So now that I've made my updates, I'm going to go to Save Template again. This time, I'm going to say bold text added and bullets highlighted. And click Save as New. Now that I've saved that, if I go to Template History, you can see that I've got about 3 different copies here of website agreements. I'm going to click on the previous one I had, and then you can see we've got all our data here. And if I go to Template History and I want to go back to this one, then I'm back here. You can also select from templates over here if you wanted to select an existing subjects that you wanted to edit, and then you can make your changes directly from here. If you wanted to tier everything, you can scroll down to the bottom, can click the Tier Everything button, and this will remove all the text that you have in here. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please check out our other videos.